Provost Amuda Yusuf, Social Director Yemi Ijogomuiwa Emesho, and finally, Special Duty Officer and Welfare Moshood Mayedu. I'll now invite the mayor to swear for the appointed officers.
Thank you very much. Last time, say after me. Raise up your right hands and put your names where necessary. I do solemnly swear that I will bear true allegiance to the office as and discharge my duties faithfully and in accordance with the Constitution and always in the best interest, integrity, and well-being of the association, that I will not allow my personal interest to influence my official decisions, and I will strive in all circumstances to defend the ethics of the association